Hello and welcome back to another rip with 605 Sports Cards. Devin here. Like I said last time, we did a rip of the Target blasters, Optic, Donruss. Today we have Walmart's blasters. If you watched the previous video, you know the chases, downtowns, longevities, the teal, and the new blazers. Big difference in this one is you are getting the purple shock rated rookies, or parallels, which can be also rated rookies. Just not gonna spend a lot of time going through the checklist. We're just gonna jump into it. We had some decent cards on the last Target blasters, but I've been looking forward to ripping, hitting the camera a little bit, these Walmart blasters. They do run $5 more off the website than Target, but I'd have more of these coming because I was just a little more excited about the purple shocks over just the plain pink parallels. The first pack looks like we're starting off with a mem card already. To start from the back. Nice rookie of Sauce. And there's a hollow Dante Foreman. Flip this over, hide behind Harrison Smith. We have, looks like it's a first year fresh, which we have one back here, Bailey Zappi. It's like to be Calvin Austin, probably the CA. So put that base over there. Throw another sleeve on this one. I believe he was injured quite a bit last year. So maybe this year, if he can stay healthy, see him have a little better year. He's supposed to have, decent shot at being pretty good. So I'll throw that one up back there. So far, each Target and Walmart now have both had mem cards in it, those first year fresh. And we're gonna have our first shock of Jamison Williams. Nice looking card there. And Keontae Ingram for the base. I think those shocks just look a little more rare, even though they're just as common as the pinks. And a Joe Namath on the retro series with Rashad White, base rookie. I like him being a little busier, just adds a little more depth to it. Marquise Brown, a Derwin James hollow, and there's our first Kenny Pickett card. Just a base. But he is a little tougher to find in this set. Hopefully him, Calvin Austin, George Pickens can have themselves a good second year now. Nice Alec Pierce rookie. Jaquan Brisker on the purple shock. I think they're really cool looking cards. And Jahan Dotson, so a rookie hot pack there. And already through the first blaster box here. Max Crosby, Jerry Jeudy, and our last purple shock is going to be Sky Moore. Not too bad there. Super Bowl champ and had himself a touchdown. And Fedarian Mathis on the base. Blaster 2. Still hunting for one of those laser parallels. Jeez. Maybe we'll get through that plastic. There we go. I'd love to see a Blazers or a teal. And obviously a downtown, but my downtown hunting skills are lacking. Almost makes you just want to buy a whole case of retail blasters so you can pretty much guarantee you're going to find one. And it'd still probably be about the same price as one hobby box. They are very expensive. Nice hollow George Karlaftis and Lewis Sign. I was really looking forward to buying a hobby box. So I was hoping they'd be a little closer to the basketball price, but Over $500 from what I've seen. Not really worth it. And there's a nice John Mechie. Purple Shock and Isaiah Spiller on the base. I mean, the autographs are real tough in it. You only get one. It just didn't seem like a good investment for $530. And here's one of the nice inserts here. DJ Moore, unfortunately not in the Bear uniform, but the diamond hands. I don't know if they do this one in a shorter print where they maybe change the color of the card. I think this being a numbered card and maybe changing it up a little bit besides just this black background could be a really nice card to collect. They're really good looking. And throw a sleeve on it. So DJ Moore, nice looking insert there. Not super rare, but I think if they had them, like I said, in a shorter print with some numbers on some of them, would be really cool. Tyreek Hill, Eddie Jackson, and a nice Travis Kelce holo, and Velus Jones on the rookie, rated rookie. And nearing the end of blaster number 2, unfortunately. Allen Robinson, a nice Jahan Dotson, Elite Series there. Nakobe Dean on the purple, and Jelani Woods. Final pack, blaster 2. Looks like we'll have our last purple shock here. Khalil Mack, a Patrick Mahomes, and a Jalen Tolbert purple shock with Kayvon Thibodeau on the base rated rookie. All right, blaster number 3. While I rip this open, why don't you guys just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to the channel. Keep up to date on when new content comes out. I will have more of these blaster boxes from Walmart here for another video to continue the downtown hunt. Unless we can maybe pull one here, but we'll still look for some more downtowns. And go ahead and like this video. I appreciate everybody that watches and supports the channel. And we'll keep the content coming for you. Michael Carter, L'Jarius Sneed holo, so a couple Chiefs there in the holos, and Kayvon Thibodeau. Devin Stingley, and their first lighted up is Jonathan Taylor. Another cool insert. If they did a short print variation of this as well, would be cool. Some different colors in the background, a little shine to it maybe, but still a very cool insert. And nice Alante Taylor, Malik Willis for the base. My hopes for downtown are dwindling down to our last few packs. Dexter Lawrence, Lewis Sign, purple shock, nice little color match there. Arnold Ebiketie. Have to see if they kind of do a no huddle box for this as well. I haven't checked around much, but maybe we can get in one of those if a little more reasonably priced. A Tyler Lockett holo and a Christian Watson base. Not seeing any lasers in there either. All right, Javon. Oh, we have a downtown. Holy crap! We're gonna let that one sit right here. We'll open this last pack. Cross our fingers on there that we can have a really good downtown. But either way, I'm excited. I've never pulled one, so to have one already, awesome. I have 6 boxes now. Patrick Queen, Matt Judon. Here's a nice. Oh, and there we go. Let's have that be our downtown. Go with the My House and Logan Hall. Nice insert. Like I said, not super rare here on this insert, but hey, it's a Patrick Mahomes. A really cool looking insert. So we'll throw that in here as well. All right, let's get back to our pack here. We have our Purple Shock also in there. So, Son Haskins, Purple Shock, nice Isaiah Spiller. Hoping it goes this way. So here we go. Oh, hey, nice Eli Manning downtown. Awesome. Super excited about that. So there you go. Glad I could at least show you one downtown out of here. Very cool looking. Unfortunately, not a short print one or a Super Bowl series one, but hey, this is a super short print case hit on its own. So let's see, I should have, here we go. Set that down for a sec, throw it in a one touch here. I mean, first downtown, gotta have a one touch for it. Battle my one touch here. There we go. Get that out of there. Go ahead and slide it on in. Lock it up. There we go. Awesome. Super excited about that. Bought way too much of Donruss before to not have one, and to have one this early in Optic, which to me, way better looking card anyway. But awesome to have a downtown. So let's go through a lot of good Purple Shocks here, really. We had Isaiah Spiller, who had himself a decent rookie year. Lewis Sign, Alante, a nice lighted up Jonathan Taylor, very good running back. Jalen Tolbert, nice Purple Shock, has some potential there. Jahan Dotson, John Mechie, who very good receiver. Sky Moore had a touchdown in the Super Bowl. Alec Pierce, what he can do this year with a new quarterback at the helm. He's a good receiver as well. And Jamison Williams, who is talented himself. Two other decent cards here. Nice My House Patrick Mahomes and base just rated rookie Kenny Pickett. But the big one of this one, and I would say right now, I mean, Walmart blasters between the Purple Shocks and obviously this awesome downtown are the way to go. So that'll do it for this video. Excited about that. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. See if we can do it again. Thanks for watching.